Hello people, Kev-In-Thailand here. I've come back, there was a lot of people asking questions about the Niram Granville. So we're going to have, it's been a few days, I've managed to secure 2 viewings of rooms, one in the Granville, the smaller apartments, blocks, and one at the Niram, the tall tower block at the end. So we got viewings on both rooms and we're here just to prove that where we are. We're back at the Niram Granville, so we'll walk you through this time. We'll show you some bars, restaurants, shops. There really is everything here that you would need. I'll show you, I've had to grease a couple of palms to get views on the rooms. No one's doing anything for nothing these days. So rather than con and trick them into showing places and rooms, I really don't like doing that. I've greased a couple of palms, paid them to show me a room. So any help reimbursing, checking the link in my comments, and you can help me out a little bit. But these are the shops, the street. It goes one way up and then one way back down. Many shops, hairdressers, restaurants, laundry, internet. A lot of the shops, a few of the shops do taxi, so you can get taxis from here if you're going back to the airport. I'm told one month, 2 months, 1 year, roughly 5,000 baht a month. I'll show you rooms at 5,000 baht. I'm going to show you a room at the Niram. They have a gym here. It's a small gym. It's a double shop gym. Let's get in there. There's some rates: 55 baht a day, 259 a week, 790 baht a month. As for membership, and again, room for rent, taxi service. They have all these little shops are all in ones. Showing there 6 AM to 11 PM for the gym. Like I say, there's lots of laundries, restaurants, nail shop, get your nails done, hairdresser. There's every sort of shop, coffee shop. There's every sort of shop. There's about 4 bars here. It has quite a cosmopolitan feel. It does. It's a nice little place. Maybe after 3 months you'll want to hang yourself in here. But there's plenty outside. I'll show you next video along the Pattaya road. That is Soy 1. Pattaya, whatever. I'll write it in here. This is where I came to get a viewing on an apartment. I'll put their email address in the in my descriptions box. Okay, so one of the rooms at the Granville, Niram Granville. These are 26 square metre. Has TV, all but an old one. Fridge, little microwave. Plenty of storage. I would think that goes by room per room. They're privately owned. It's up to the owner what they've put in. So you'd have to check out a few, however many there are, to get one that's got full storage and amenities. Hey, they've put a little sink on the balcony. Another little bit of storage. air conditioning unit. Although in need of a cover. That might be it there. Anyway, so these are the rooms, 5,000 baht a month. Short term, if you wanted one for a month, they're saying 6,000 baht for 1 month. Long term, 5,000 baht. So I don't think that's terrible for that money. 5,000 baht. Yeah, you may want to put a couple of bits in yourself. You might want to put a little bit to make something for you more comfortable. At 5,000 baht a month, I think you could afford to spend 2,000 baht for the year on making something extra for yourself. But anyway, that's the room at the Niram Granville. Let's go along now. We are going to the Niram Tower. I'll show you a room there. Yeah, someone did mention why I didn't call it by its real name. To Europeans, English, Americans, it's much easier to show Soi 1. You know what you're looking for. A lot of the street names also are in Thai. But I will put the spelling of what the real Soi 1 is called. Well, the real Soi 1's called Soi 1. But I'll put the Thai word for it. Now, I want to show you quickly the Niram. It's all part of it. There is a swimming pool. I'll show you a room. We've secured to view a room. And I'll show you where to come if you're looking for a rental. The lady at the shop here to the right has a book, large book, of all the rentals. She makes curtains, she has a taxi service, room, car and motorbike for rental. So this is where you'll come to sort out a room to rent. And the room I'm going to show you is 6,000 baht a month. Good views, not a bad room. 6,000 baht is for nothing. On the ground floor here, you can do your own laundry, drinking water. There are laundry services all around Granville, but they're not 30 baht for your laundry. But then you're not drying it and ironing it either. The water, 1 baht a litre, 5 baht for the bit large 5 litres. It's a baht a litre unless you go to that one. That's a 20 litre bottle for 16 baht. Mineral drinking water. You will need your own bottles for that, obviously. Here is the lifts that go up. I believe there's 14 floors, maybe. No, I think it's 14 floors it goes up. So let's take you up, show you a room. Okay, so this is one of the rooms at the Niram, the tower, the tall tower block at the end. This room's approximately 35 square metres. It's a reasonable size. Has some amenities, fridge, microwave, TV, bit of wardrobe, little sofa, table and chairs from the balcony. The balcony isn't a bad size. The air conditioning unit. That's the pool down there. It's on the first floor for the tower block for the Niram. And over there, as you can see along there, that's the Niram Granville. Not a bad view. This apartment is 6,000 baht a month rental. You will pay utilities, bath, shower. As I said, you'll pay the utilities. That's up to you. Mine are very cheap. So I can't say what the utilities will be, that's up to you. But not a bad size room. 6,000 baht a month, long term. Right, let's get on, get round. Right, back out from the Niram. And this is the second part of the Granville circle. And here, I won't go around too much. This is the other pool. Both pools can be used, but this pool will be closed in the next month or two for renovation. It's in desperate need. So they're going to be closing this pool for renovation, but you've still got the pool up there. Again, walk down this side, pretty much the same both sides. Lots of little shops, different shops. There's a laundry shop, delivery services, little Thai, thank you very much, little Thai restaurants. There is plenty of parking for bikes. I think for cars, it's a free-for-all. I'm not sure. There's probably multi-storey car parking in the Niram Tower block. Again, taxi service. Looks to be Pattaya Airport, 1,200 baht. That would be Utapao. That's expensive, that really is. That should be about 700 to 800 baht. Should be 1,000 baht to Bangkok, Suvarnabhumi Airport. So, looks like you're going to need to do some negotiations. That is quite a large bar, little restaurant. I did show that previously. Very, very cheap food. They're doing a bit of lots of little bits of renovations going on all round. So it does need it, and they're doing it a bit at a time. So what have we got here? We've got a gym, plenty of restaurants, bars, laundry shops. Another one there, another laundry. This is a do-it-yourself. They're normally 30 baht. It depends on the size of machine, but also they all have drinking water machines here as well. More rooms for rent. These are showing 5,500, 6,000. That would depend on the owner. They're all owned by different people. It's what the owner wants, but everything's negotiable. Anyway, so that's coming to the end now. The last few bits. Legends Bar, another bar here. Opens around 5 PM. Has all the live football. So, that is a full review of the Niram Granville, the larger tall tower, the Niram, all part and parcel. They're a bit loud. Looks, get the balloon chasers in, it looks like a party there tonight. Anyway, 5,000 baht, you've seen the rooms. We are now, next vlog, next video, I'm going to be showing, carrying on the area, Pattaya, the actual Soi 1 off of Klang. Lots of bars, the Shagwell Mansions. We'll have a room review, and we'll go all the way along. What I'm going to do along here is during the day show a few places, hotels, rooms, apartments, showing a room at the Shagwell, and then come back in the evening, show you the bars. I mean, there's a lot of very good bars outside the door at Granville. Good bars, big bars, some nice restaurants. So we'll show all that, the full area along here as well. So I hope you've liked it. If you have, give it a thumbs up, a like and a share. If you've really hated it, give me a thumbs up, a like and a share. Why not? Why not? And please do subscribe. You don't have to, but it will be nice and it does help. Makes me feel better. Not much, just better. And we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.